Right now on DIY Gourmet, we're taking a chicken thigh that has had the skin removed and we're trimming off the fat. And so now the skin is off, but we're not done yet. See that? There's plenty of patches of fat and thin skin tucked between the meat. Let's clean that up. Now first, look at the edges and underneath. You'll see yellow fat deposits and thin, almost see-through layers of skin. That's what we're after. For most of this, you don't even need a knife. Pinch the fat between your fingers and pull. It usually tears right off. If it feels slippery, use a paper towel to get a better grip, but that's usually not even needed. Now, for the underside, you're going to flip the thigh over. The underside usually hides another pocket of fat or connective skin. Same deal, pinch and pull first, then trim if you need to. However, if you happen to get into a patch where it's a bit stubborn, grab the kitchen shears or the tip of the knife. Now, keep the blade flat against the meat so you don't gouge it. Just shave the fat off in thin strips and work it like you're using a razor to shave. What you want at the end is a clean, even thigh. No ragged fat, no extra skin. It makes it cook more evenly, taste better, and look way cleaner on the plate. Do it yourself gourmet, folks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.